If you're still opening ChatGPT and typing random prompts every day, you're wasting 10 plus hours a week without realizing it. One AI skill quietly replaces admin work, planning, writing, thinking, and most people are using AI completely wrong. AI didn't replace jobs first. It replaced time. Right now, the biggest gap isn't between people who use AI and people who don't. It's between people who ask AI once and people who build systems with it. If you ignore this skill, you'll stay stuck, rewriting the same prompts, repeating the same tasks, feeling busy while others move faster with less effort. And by 2026, speed is leverage. This is the official AI Hustle Club, where we break down how to actually use AI to build leverage, not just hype. If you want practical AI strategies that save time, increases output, and actually fit real businesses, subscribe. We post weekly. Now let's talk about the one AI skill that replaces 10 hours of work per week. The skill, AI prompt systems, not prompting. Most people think the skill is writing better prompts. It's not. The real skill is designing reusable AI prompt systems, structured instructions that turn AI into a repeatable worker, a thinking assistant, a workflow engine. Instead of asking AI what to do every time, you tell it how to think, how to respond, and how to behave once. That's where the time savings come from. Why prompt systems beat smart prompts? A prompt system is a saved instruction with a role, rules, inputs, outputs. Think of it like a job description for AI. Instead of write a YouTube script about AI tools you use, you are a YouTube retention strategist for a Faceless AI channel. Your job is to create long-form scripts optimized for watch time, pattern breaks, and shorts repurposing. Same AI, but completely different results. Real-world business example, a freelancer writes proposals. Before, 30 minutes per proposal. Different tone every time. Lots of thinking. After a prompt system, 5 minutes. Same structure, same conversion logic. That's not better writing. That's process removal. How beginners use this? Beginners use prompt systems for email replies, social captions, product descriptions, client onboarding messages. One system replaces decision fatigue, blank page stress, rewriting from scratch. How we'd personally leverage it? We'd build one content system, one research system, one decision system, and reuse them weekly. The goal isn't creativity, it's consistency at speed. Common mistakes most people make: overcomplicate prompts, add unnecessary fluff, forget to define outputs. Simple systems outperform fancy ones. Advanced insight, the best prompt systems. Ask AI to ask you questions, self-correct, improve outputs over time. That's where AI starts saving thinking time, not just typing time. Where the 10 hours actually disappear. Let's break this down realistically. Task 1, planning, 2 to 3 hours per week. Most people plan by overthinking, rewriting outlines, second-guessing ideas. A prompt system handles content outlines, weekly plans, priority ranking. You just approve. Task 2, writing and drafting 3 to 4 hours per week. Emails, scripts, captions, documents. A system replaces tone decisions, formatting, structural thinking. You're editing and not creating from zero. Task 3, research and summaries, 1 to 2 hours per week. Instead of reading everything, AI summarizes, extracts action steps, flags what matters. This alone saves hours. Task 4. Decision support, 1 hour per week. What should I focus on? What's the best option? Prompt system scan, compare choices, simulate outcomes, highlight risks. That's mental load gone. Here's the scary part. Most people already could save these hours, they just never set the systems up once. Building your first AI prompt system, step by step. This is where most tutorials fail. So let's keep it clean. Step 1. Pick one repeating task, not everything. Examples: writing YouTube scripts, client emails, content ideas, weekly planning. If it happens weekly, it qualifies. Step 2. Define the role. Always start with you are a role with expertise. Example: you are a YouTube retention strategist for a faceless AI channel in the online business niche. This anchors the AI. Step 3. Define rules. Rules remove randomness. Examples: use short sentences. Optimize for retention. Avoid hype language. Assume beginner audience. Rules equals consistency. Step 4. Define inputs. Tell AI what you'll give it. Topic, goal, platform, length. This prevents guesswork. Step 5. Define outputs. Be specific. Headings, bullets, CTA placement. Length. If you don't define output, AI decides for you. Step 6. Add improvement logic, advanced. Example: after generating the response, critique it for clarity and retention, then improve it. Now, AI works twice. Real. How we'd use this scenarios. Let's make this practical. Scenario 1. Solopreneur content machine. One system generates weekly video scripts, pulls shorts hooks, suggests thumbnails. Time saved, 4 to 5 hours per week. Scenario 2. Freelancer client work. One system writes proposals, explains services, handles follow-ups. Clients think you're fast. You're just systematic. Scenario 3. Employee using AI quietly. One system summarizes meetings, drafts emails, prepares reports. You look efficient. You're actually just leveraging AI. The biggest mistake people make: they treat AI like Google. Ask, read, forget. AI rewards structure, reuse, refinement. If you're retyping similar prompts daily, you're doing unpaid setup work every time. Quick question. Answer honestly. What would you actually use a prompt system for first? Content, work emails, freelancing, or planning? Drop it in the comments. We read them and it helps the channel more than you think. The hidden advantage most people miss. Here's what no one tells you. Prompt systems train you to think clearly, force better inputs, improve decision quality. AI doesn't just save time, it upgrades your processes, and better processes compound. Future trend: why this matters more in 2026. AI tools will change, interfaces will change, but prompt systems port across tools, scale into agents, become workflows. This is the foundation skill. People chasing tools fall behind. People building systems adapt instantly. Quick summary plus action framework. Let's lock this in. The skill: AI prompt systems. What it replaces: planning, drafting, repetitive thinking, decision fatigue. Simple framework. Pick one repeating task. Define AI's role. Set rules. Define inputs. Define outputs. Reuse weekly. Execution beats experimentation. If this video saved you time, imagine what applying this skill weekly does. Subscribe to the official AI Hustle Club. We break AI down into systems you can actually use. And in the next video, we'll show how to turn this exact skill into a real income stream, not just productivity.